Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Luna Classic update today. Now, Luna Classic may be in the mood of fighting back with the bears now because I think there are some few progresses that are being made again to why I'm saying this thing at the moment. So right now we're starting to pump a little bit, and we do have some few green candles, but this is still not good enough. We need more than this. We need more struggles than this to go to the upside. But one thing that I want to say is that on the daily time frame, as far as I remember, I told you that this has been a good support as well. So you had one touch and move up, one touch, move up. And now you have the touch again, and even better, you have already made a morning star. So this morning star really means that it's time for Luna Classic to probably move back to the upside. There could be one chance of taking the stop and then go up. That's also a possibility. But we I don't know, man. We can actually see a consolidation and then go back up, or maybe just try to go back up from here. However, the good thing is that you have made the reversal candle, you have made a morning star, and it has actually been created right on the support level at the moment. Okay, so this is still kind of good. Now we are really down, so much down that it's hard for me to say that we're moving any more lower. So what about the 4 hour time frame as well? So if I do go back to the 4 hour time frame, we might even say that there could be potential that this is almost like a double bottom going on in there. So hopefully, let's hope this is a double bottom, and then from here we start to go back up. Then that would be really amazing. So that's all for this quick update, hopefully. And keep in mind that we could actually anyways, never mind. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.